At a wastewater treatment facility, a critical floating mixer suddenly failed. The breaker had tripped and would not reset. This mixer is essential to the treatment process, meaning downtime was not an option. Maintenance technicians began investigating the failure. They discovered burned wire terminations inside the connection box, and initial testing suggested a motor winding fault. Based on standard procedures, the plan was clear: replace or repair the entire unit, an expensive and time-consuming process. Before moving forward, the team made a critical decision. They requested motor circuit analysis testing using All-Test Pro's AT5 device. AT5 testing revealed something unexpected. The cable between the motor control center and the motor showed insulation degradation. But when the motor itself was tested, it passed. The motor was not the problem. Further inspection uncovered the true cause. The motor's cooling system was completely blocked with debris. This caused excessive heat, leading to the failure of the electrical terminations. The team repaired the damaged terminations, cleaned the motor's outer housing, and returned the motor to service. No replacement was needed. The results were immediate and significant. The asset was restored quickly, costly repairs were avoided, and unplanned downtime was minimized. For comparison, a similar repair previously cost over $6,000. A motor rewind would have exceeded $8,500, and there was no spare motor available. This is the power of motor circuit analysis by All-Test Pro. By identifying the true root cause, the facility avoided unnecessary replacement, saving both time and money. All-Test Pro, helping you make smarter maintenance decisions.